Hey everyone! In this fun quiz, you'll tackle 24 questions to master the 12 key English tenses. Let's get started. They go to the gym every weekend.
He had been working for 3 hours when I called.
I will call you later.
They were having dinner when I arrived.
He has finished 3 reports this week.
They will be presenting the project at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
She gave a great presentation yesterday.
By next month, she will have finished her thesis.
He is having a meeting right now.
By the time we arrived, they had finished dinner.
He has been studying for 2 hours already.
By next year, I will have been working here for 5 years.
She always drinks tea in the morning.
They finished a big project last week.
They will announce the results next week.
I was sleeping when you called last night.
They are flying to Taiwan for vacation.
They have been to Japan twice this year.
They will have completed the building by 2025.
He had read the book before the meeting.
They have been working on the new project since Monday. This time next week, I will be traveling in Japan.
By tomorrow, they will have been driving for 10 hours.
They had been preparing for 2 months before the launch. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new video.
See you next time.